My name is Tanisha, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and join the family. So as you guys already read by the title, we are doing a Shein try on haul. I got a lot of cute transitional spring summer pieces. I'll make sure to leave everything linked down in the description box for you guys, as well as my measurements. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up, continue watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right into that video. Here we have a brown strapless maxi dress, and I picked this up in a size US small. It's just a standard basic maxi dress. As you guys are able to see a little bit in the mirror, it's not like too maxi on me. Like, it comes right above my ankle area. It's very stretchy, and it has like a little slit in the back. Like, if you're able to see that just a little bit, it's hugging the curves. I love it. And it's actually a two-piece, so let me show you guys the other piece that comes with it. So it has like this sweater that comes with it, or cardigan, whatever you want to call it. And it's a set. It does come together, so this is also in a small as well. And I mean, it's very versatile, you know, like spring, summer, still like transitioning. You can throw on the sweater. It's perfect for the like spring, summer, like transitioning. If you're getting too cold, you're able to just throw that sweater on. And then if you're too hot, obviously take it off. It is like a little, it's long. It definitely is like a duster. It drags it a little bit on the floor, but not too much. And the fitting on this is really good. Like, I don't know, I'm trying to like kind of like bring it up here, but it doesn't come that far. So I don't know, I've never had a sweater like this where it kind of just like cuts off like right kind of at your armpit area. So that's different. It's very soft, like I said. It's really stretchy as well. I have some like extra room down in the wrist area. And yeah, overall it's just a really soft, very comfortable dress. Definitely something to have in your wardrobe. It's a really good staple piece, just with the transition going from spring to summer. And I do believe they have like a lot of other colors. One thing about Shein, they're gonna have multiple colors in any different outfit that they have on the website. So next up we have this. Look at this, y'all. Look at this dress. This is one of their tie-dye bodycon dress. Picked this up in a US 4. You guys, look at these colors. I am loving this. Like, oh, I'm so excited to wear this. So picked this up in a size small, and you have the ruching all throughout the dress. I hope you guys are able to see that. Let me get closer. You have that ruching throughout the whole dress. You have buttons. I love that. So you're able to kind of like show some leg, show some cleavage, you know. You got that collar around your neck. That's different, so I do like that too. And then in the back, I mean, you know, it's hugging the curves. But yes, y'all, I'm loving this. I love the bright colors. The fitting on this is really good. It's actually a little bit thicker than I thought it was gonna be, but once again, great piece to add to our wardrobe for like the transitional with the different seasons happening. Love it. I love it, you guys. I'm so excited to wear this. I cannot even like describe it. I mean, it speaks for itself. Hopefully y'all are picking up on that. So next up we have another Ruch maxi dress, and this one I picked up in an extra small just because I wasn't for sure how the fitting was gonna be. And I'm actually happy I got an extra small because this fits really good. So it's a halter neck, tied around in the back. Here you go, the back is out. And then you have the ruching. Honestly, you have the ruching in the front and in the back, but in the front, get closer so you guys are able to see. And also too, it's gray. I feel like it's kind of coming off in the review finder as like maybe like a light blue, but this is gray. And so yeah, you have the like ruching all the way down. Love that. And then you also kind of have it like in the back area. Love that. And then I don't know, hopefully you guys are able to see in the mirror that, like I said, it's maxi. So I mean, it's all the way down to my feet down to the floor. I just love that you're able to like dress this up, throw some heels on, a cute bag, or even like dress it down at the same time and still be cute. I like that this dress is kind of giving off that type of versatility. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comment area. It's very stretchy also. As you guys are able to see, I think that just goes like with the ruching. But yeah, stretchy, but still hugs the curves. So next up we have this bustier bodycon dress, and this is in the color coffee, and I picked this up in a size medium. Wish I would have sized down. I got a small because as you guys are able to see, I mean, it's very stretchy material. It's kind of like that spandex material, but it's very stretchy, and I just have like extra room. I just think just for more of a tighter fitting, I would just go ahead and size down. Okay, so just talking about the straps, we have the adjustable straps in the back. Love that. The material, like I said, is very stretchy and everything, but I just feel like it's really thin. This is a perfect dress for them like late summer dinners or whatever. This would be perfect for that. I just feel like it's a little bit too thin for my liking, so that's one thing that I don't like. Down on the dress too, like it's midi, so it's kind of like right there in the middle of my thighs. And then you have like this mesh that goes all around. I like that detail. And it's really pretty overall. Like I said, I do like it. I just don't really care for how thin the material is, but yeah, that's it. So here we have the next dress, and this is their two-tone bodycon dress. I picked this up in a size medium. Again, y'all, like I was really off with these sizes this haul. I don't know why I was like just sizing up, but definitely size down. The sexy like collection, I feel like the whole collection is very stretchy, so I would recommend to size down if you are wanting more of a tighter fitting. So as you're able to see, like I have all this extra room. I mean, it still hugs me the way it's supposed to, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like for more of a tighter fitting, I would size down. And then on like the sides, you have this like a mesh. It definitely is see-through because I'm able to see my skin, and I got tattoos, so I'm able to see that. And then the straps do come adjustable as well. I love like that bustier feeling that it gives. As you guys are able to see, like right in this area, it's just baggy on me. So I haven't adjusted the straps, but I think like once I do that, it'll be better. And then talking about the length, hopefully you guys are able to kind of, oh no, y'all not able to see that. Maybe just a little bit. It's down right below my knees. And yeah, I mean, it gives off, this dress is giving off expensive, like cute date nights. Love that. You have some mesh in the back as well. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, some mesh in the back. Yes, very cute. Again, the material is more on the thinner side, but perfect, you know, like for summertime. And then it's kind of like, you know, that spandex material as well. So yeah, here we have another bodycon dress. This one is another tie-dye. This one is like their tie-dye cutout bodycon dress, and I picked this up in a size small. So I did go with the sizing for this one. Like I said, it is cut out, so you have that cutout right here around like your stomach area. It is mesh also, but there's like double lining in it, so it's not see-through at all. The length is kind of like right below or right above my knees. I'm saying below because I do have extra room where I can like kind of pull it down, but you know, like as you're walking around, it kind of starts to pull up a little bit. But overall, it's really good. You know, it's very stretchy. I like that cutout it has. I'm loving these colors. I don't know, lately I've been kind of drawn to like lime green, or maybe like neon it's called, but I'm loving this color. And yeah, let me turn around so you guys are able to see. It's hugging and it's really cute. Next I have this zebra striped print dress, and I know y'all probably have been seeing this everywhere. You can wear this any time of the year. I think, you know, like for like winter or fall, pair with some boots or something. And then for spring, summer, you can wear with some heels, wear it with some flats, sandals, however you choose. And I think this is kind of like an all-around dress you can wear throughout the whole year, because it's like sweater material, but it's not too heavy sweater material because it's a mini dress, and then also too, it's sleeveless. So yeah, I just finally picked it up, got it in a medium. I wish I would have actually got this in a large, because it actually is tight, and it's not that, there's not much like stretch to this. I'm kind of like tugging on it right now, but it's not really much stretch to it. But you know, otherwise it's hugging, it's real cute. I love it paired with some white sandals, get a white purse, and call it a day. I love that it's also, it's not like too turtlenecky, but it does come up around your neck area. Like I said, it's sleeveless. I love that about it. And then like, if it gets too chilly, just pair it with a sweater as well, and you're good. It's a little bit, it's a little too short for me, so that's why I think if I would have got like a large, I think I would have had like some more room to like just pull it down. Kind of like, it will probably come to like my knee area, I think, if I did size up. I mean, overall though, 10 out of 10. Next up, I have another maxi dress, and y'all, I think my favorite thing on Shein's website has to be their sexy collection, and then their bodycon dresses that they have. I love the materials they use to make these dresses. I mean, they are so soft, and it's like, it kind of gives you that like seamless feeling, I think. So I picked this up in a size small. This is their like double strapped maxi bodycon dress, and the color I want to say is dark green. Got this in a US small. It's hugging, it's hugging. I have other dresses like this. I've never got the like double strap though, so I like that. That's something different. And the length is good, right at my ankle area, as you guys are able to see. I mean, it's just really soft, and I love that. Simple maxi dress, one of your basic dresses. I mean, you can't have too many in your collection, so why not? So next up, we have this two-piece pencil skirt, and you guys, I love this. I'm loving these bright colors. Loving the bright colors. So baby blue, and I picked this up in a size small. The set does come together. That's one thing about Shein. Their sets, they're pretty much gonna come together. I don't think I've ever ran into anything where a set didn't come together. But one thing that I am so drawn, besides the colors to this outfit, is the texture. It's textured. I am loving this. The length is good, kind of right in the middle of my legs. Then you have like a little elastic band kind of draw you in, not too much. And then you have the crop tube top. Love that. You guys, this is so cute. I'm loving this. It's kind of like a pastel blue. It's baby blue, but I'm loving the light blue. Actually, baby blue is my favorite color, so yeah. So lastly, we just have this cropped cardigan, and I picked this up in a medium. The color is multicolor, and you guys, the colors, love the colors. It's actually like cute together. I don't know, it's just not what I pictured, but it's kind of still cute together. Multicolor, and the fitting on this is good. Like I said, it's a medium, not too oversized at all. It's just an open sweater. It doesn't have any buttons or zippers, and I love the length. It's really good. So what I was kind of thinking of when I was getting it, probably pair this with like some denim jeans, and then maybe like a white bustier top, some type of white top underneath. I just think that was really cute, and you know, just like, this is a staple piece, you know, the color, how the colors pop in. So yeah, it's really soft. It's just like knitted. I'm not really for sure like what's kind of classifies as, but the length of it's good on the arms. It kind of like accentuates a little bit in your wrist area. Yeah, so just overall so cute. This whole haul has just like so many different colors in it. All right, loves, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down in the comment area. Let me know what your favorite item I picked out or showed you guys. Let me know some other video ideas you guys are interested in seeing me do on my channel, or some other like clothing companies you guys are interested in seeing me do some hauls on. I'm so open to any ideas you guys got. So try something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.